Welcome. Today's lesson is how to turn your data into a graph using Google Sheets. For this class, we're going to be using Google Sheets and going to be basically turning all of your prey and predator data into a graph so that you can explain the phenomenon of prey and predator relationships. So let's go ahead and get started. What I have is a copy of your prey and predator simulation spreadsheet that you have in your Google Classroom. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be all blank. You're going to take each of these pieces of data and put it in your spreadsheet. What you're going to use is initial prey, initial predator, which is right here. Here's initial predator. Here's initial prey. But also you're going to be using all 20 of your generations. You're going to put that in as well. How you're going to do that is you're going to align them in columns, A, B, and C columns. So for instance, in the A column, what you're going to do is you're going to put in all of this generational stuff, 1 to 20. That's going to be listed here. Then what you're going to do here is you're going to put in all of your initial prey numbers, which are these. And then on column C, you're going to put in all the initial predator data. And it's going to be in a column. When you get it all finished, it's going to look like this. So generations, rabbits, and coyote. Now, I'm going to just, I already have those listed for you. And this is just the data that I got from a particular group. So what you're going to do, again, is just list them just like this. Now, to turn them into a graph, it's really kind of simple. All you're going to do is you're going to highlight all of the columns. When you get the columns, what you're going to do next is you're going to insert, and then you're going to scroll down the chart. I'm going to make it out of a line graph, and you can change it if you like, but I'm going to put a line graph. And what it does is it makes this graph. And what you have right down here, these are the predator numbers here at the bottom. And then, of course, this line here is rabbits. And there's a big chasm in here. Now, to be able to tell a little bit about how the predator data follows the prey data, you may want to just use me an enhanced type of graph. This one right here is a stacked graph, and it'll just show you how closely the prey and predator relationship is followed. But really, what you'll need eventually is just this anyway. So I'm going to get a smooth line graph, and of course there's this big gap. And I wouldn't worry about it too much. Now, the other thing that you have to do is you have to take this graph that you make, and what you're going to do is you're going to put it into your Google form for your finished product. To copy this chart, you're going to click it once. You go to the signal lights, these 3 stacked dots. Going to click on them and go to Copy Chart. And when you do that, then what you'll do is you'll go to your Prey-Predator graph explanation sheet. And I have some instructions there, and what you're going to do is you're going to right-click it, and then you just paste it, and we definitely want to link it to your spreadsheet. And of course, I would just make it a little bit tighter, and there you have it. And then you just answer the questions, give a quick little explanation or caption underneath, and that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.